Libra. I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for November 2014. Librans, we begin this month with Mars that is conjuncting Pluto on November 10th, and it's aspecting a part of your chart that has to do with emotional security. Now, whenever Pluto transits this particular house in your chart, you can make changes to your home through moving or by making renovations. Even if you don't want to fix anything particular up in a house, you'll likely encounter issues that force you to make changes. You can also experience issues with your family. If you have anything that has been building up between you and other family members, it can become bursting out at this point of time. You can, however, transform the relationship you have with your family. Librans, Pluto, the Plutonian energy is all about transformation and truth. So it's a time wherein you can make a choice. Either you can just blow it all up and scatter it to bits, or you can choose to transform it and through the truth, through your honesty, through your genuineness, you can bring your family members more close to you, and you can completely transform yourself and your relationship that you have with your family. Around the November 18th, we have Sun that is conjuncting Saturn, and this is aspecting a part of your chart that has to do with money. Now, while a certain level of introspection is marked because Saturn is transiting this particular house, however, it's a time of taking stock of your own effectiveness, your self-worth and finances. And this stage of life is often marked by a lot of hard work, Librans, and it's a practical time in one's life. And financial success may not be remarkable, yet it is generally steady, if slow to come by at all. And this transit traditionally has been associated with financial loss, but in truth, it is more about our perceptions. We are apt to be able to review how effective we have been on a financial level to date, and to find some dissatisfaction with our progress. In fact, gains may be slow, but sudden reversals are not uncommon as well with this transit. The purpose of this transit is for you to make a connection with your own feelings of self-worth and what it is that you produce in the real world, or rather get back in the real world. As with all the Saturn transits, Librans, we might reach out and look for validation from the outside world and from others, and find something lacking in doing so. However, the initial sense of feeling totally unsupported and discouraging, like many of us could be thinking on the lines of, I work so hard and what do I get for all this hard work? Or I put so much into this relationship, and what is it that I get? I get nothing out of this. But as the transit moves forward, you learn to look inside yourself with a newfound clarity and realism, and ideally draw considerable strength from within. You work on your own effectiveness in the world and see exactly what has been holding you back from achieving the results that you want. The challenge here is to capture the newly found and defined self-confidence you have gained from this particular transit and apply it in the real world. Librans, I've said this often during, in fact, a Libra and a Scorpio zodiac as well, that you are your best champion, rather than seeking validation from outside, pressurizing yourself and then further getting disappointed. It's really a time and place where you need to be pulling out all your inner resources and see how it is that you can be best productive in the world with what it is that you can produce, what it is that you can give and get in turn. Now, Venus is going to be trining Uranus on November 26th, and this is happening in a part of your chart that has to do with relationships, both at work and personal relationships, and even close partner relationships. Now, since Uranus is there, and Uranus is a bad boy of astrology and unpredictability, the relationships could become little erratic. Your close relationships could be little erratic or surprising in some manner, and you may feel that it's hard to rely on a particular partner. Lifeless or outworn relationships may be especially hard for you to bear during this cycle. Changes in your relationships are in store, Librans, and you really don't care much at this point of time for taking orders or any attempts to limit. You are likely to be met with a lot of resistance or downright rebelliousness on your part. Some of you may find current relationships limiting, and you could either end it or experience tension as you explore ways to break free from restriction. Some of you could experience erratic or rebellious behavior in a close partner, or you could be the person who could be experiencing that from your partner as well, Libran. So it goes both ways. It could be either that you are behaving that way, or it could be that your partner could be behaving that way with you. And this could literally have you on your toes and wondering what's next. Libran, this month is a very, very critical month for you. November pretty much marks the not just the end of the Saturn transit that has been there in your chart for the last 2.5 years, especially in your second house, but this also highlights and crystallizes that you have to pretty much depend on your own resources, on your own strengths, and how it is that you can make the best out of it. Also have an understanding as to how it is that you need to be managing your finances. However, know that this is just a transit, Librans. It is there besides taking getting an insight into your situation. There is really nothing to worry about. It's just a temporary phase for you. So have a brilliant November. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again in December. Thank you so much for